Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you something a little different. I'm bringing you this amazing. So this is the Nourish and Flourish kit that is in the July to December mini catalogue. And if I take it out of this box, you can see that it is a gorgeous lunch bag. So pretty, white clean inside with a card kit. How gorgeous is that? It is white clean. It is fabric on the outside, but how pretty is it? I absolutely love it. You don't even need to use it for lunch. You could keep your blends in it or anything really. But it is super pretty. I am going to show you the kit. As you can see, it's brand new to me. Not opened it as yet because I didn't want to lose any of the bits or anything. But equally, I want to just show you how these kits come. And these are the same with our kits, not with a lunch bag, but the kits that we also have, they come very similar to these. So if you're considering the kits as a starter, someone new to crafting, or you're thinking of a new hobby, they are absolutely brilliant because they have, if you get an all-inclusive kit, they have everything you need. So as you can see here, we have some gorgeous envelopes with really nicely coloured insides. Then you have your card bases, which again, these ones are embossed. Really nice. In fact, there's some more here too. Some more embossed. I'm hoping, I don't know if you can see the embossing. Oh, there you go. So that's a really nice embossing there. Then you've got flowers and leaves, and then these sort of geometric patterns. Really pretty. Dimensionals, gems, and then in several languages here you have sentiments, which are delightful. Your embellished flowers and banners, a sheet of glue dots, and then underneath the card is your instructions. So it will go through each instruction. So it's quite simple. The black dots here are your glue dots, and if you can see the hexagon shape thing there, those are dimensionals. It tells you how many gems to use, which pieces on which card to use. So it goes through and shows you how to do all three cards. It also gives you, it shows you what you need for each card. So if you want to lay them out and then do them, you can. And then on the back, it will tell you coordinating stamping colours. So if you wanted to buy the inks and stamp your own part, you can. So it gives you all the assisting coordinating colours. So Calypso Coral, Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Shaded Spruce. But you don't need those to make these because they are just elements that you stick on the cards. I'm going to do one with you just so we can work through, and I think I'm going to do the just saying hello one here. So I need the leaf embossed base, which is this one here. I personally find it easier to leave your card flat while you're working on it, because if you fold it, when you're trying to stick things on, you're fighting against the card. So if you leave it flat, you have a completely flat surface to work on. So I then need, as it says on here, one of these. So, oh, actually they're sticky on, these ones. So just pop that one off there, and that just sticks across the centre of there. And you will find as well, if some of your cards have twine or ribbon or anything like that, they will say you need let's say for argument's sake 8 inches or 20 centimetres or 18 centimetres, they actually give you a guide on the side here, so you can actually put your ribbon down and measure it so you get the right size, which also is handy. Okay, so I've done that. I need the Just Saying Hello, which is here. Again, in German. Do I have the French ones? Yeah, French, and I'm going to guess that's Dutch, is it? Or certainly from the Netherlands. I do apologise for my naivety. So we're just going with Just Say Hello. And that tells me I need 3 dimensionals. So just simply take the 3 off here. It's fiddly to get this pack started, but once you start it's really simple. So these 3, and as you can see I'm not using any tools of any description yet, I am simply using what I have here. And then I need some flowers, so there's 3 sheets worth here, so I'll move that one. So I want 2 yellow, and just be gentle and patient with these, don't go crazy with them. So I need 2 yellow, 2 of the blue there, and then a large green leaf, and then the 2 ones, these ones, is that right? Yes. And this is why sometimes it's easier to lay them out so that you know you've got the right pieces. Where did they go? So, glue dots. Now, I do find you can use a pin if you wish. Let's pop these over. So, they all have glue dots apart from one of the yellow flowers that requires a dimensional. So, let's pop a dimensional on now. And then our glue dots, so these are obviously slightly different to the glue dots that I use, but they still do the job. The only difference is that they have as another backing, so once you've taken them off this clear sheet, you then need to take the backing off the item that you've placed them on. So I'm not using as many as the picture says because I don't need to. So I'm going to go with the top first. So I'm just going to take, and as I said, you can use a pin, needle, something just with a sharp point to take that off. So that tucks just under. Then I need, yes, the smaller of the 2 leaves, and that can tuck just there because the blue flower, just make sure I get this in the right place, will sit on the top just there. And again with the yellow, take the backing off your dimensional, backing off these, and the dimensional will sit under. So as you put your flower on, you want the dimensional to be here, and that's because this has dimensional on, so it keeps the level. So let me just move this so I can see my picture. So this goes more to the bottom. So if you press that down, then the blue flower will go just on the side there. Then the large leaf to the left and the smaller leaves to the right. And then we just need to add some gems. So tuck that under there, tuck this one, oh crumbs, come on, off you get, thank you. This just tucks under like so. And then you just need some gems. And again, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, you need 5. You can put them wherever you wish. I am quite happy. And again, as you can see, you can use your nails for these, or you can use your pin. And then just a couple more, like so. And that is your first card made up. So I'm going to fold this over now. You can, if you have a bone folder, you can use the bone folder to crease. If not, you can just use your nail to sharpen crease. And there you have it. That didn't take very long at all. Now granted, I'm a bit more used to doing these, but how pretty is that card as well? Absolutely gorgeous. And you just carry on. You can either do, I think, is it 3 or 4 of each one? 3 of each one, so you could go ahead and do all 3 of this one, or you can just take it in turns. It's entirely up to you, but it's a gorgeous kit and it's a gorgeous lunch bag. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget, this all goes live on, it says already live, isn't it? Or is it not? My brain is not working. Yes, this, I don't even know what date I'm doing now. No, this is already live, so go ahead and buy it. This is what happens when you film in advance. You have no clue. Anyway, it is live. Go and buy it. It's an amazing kit and an amazing lunch bag, and you can actually gift the lunch bag as a present. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you all again very soon.